On this screen, you can see some important facts to remember about the actual GCSE exam in Irish. 25% of the marks are awarded for each of the 4 skills. As is the case with all modern languages, GCSE Irish provides the opportunity to develop essential skills for the modern workplace. These include presentation skills, excellent spoken and written communication skills, critical thinking skills, research and analytical skills, and fluency in a modern European language. It is worth noting that you can complete a foundation tier writing paper at GCSE level and still get an A* award. With regards to the speaking exam, which is worth 25% of the marks, a candidate only has to speak for 6 to 8 minutes. And don't forget, even if you don't want a job using Irish, the skills learned by studying GCSE Irish are essential in the workplace. The introduction of the Official Languages Act in 2003 means that everything produced in Ireland must be bilingual. Therefore, it must also be produced in the Irish language. It's also worth noting that students considering applying for a place in university in the south of Ireland must have at least 1 GCSE in a language. Contrary to popular belief, learning Irish does not in any way limit you with regards to employment opportunities. In fact, Irish now provides a much greater scope for job security. As you can see from some of the current employment opportunities with Irish, which are available now and also in the future. No longer should people studying Irish consider their only options to be teaching and media. There are many other opportunities there, which are very well paid jobs and very secure employment opportunities. There is currently a massive increase in the range of university courses and jobs available with Irish. Many famous people have actively promoted speaking Irish, and no longer is Irish considered a language only spoken on the island of Ireland. That said, we have in the past had some very famous visitors to Ireland who made the effort to speak the language.
Some wise Irish man or woman once said that broken Irish is better than clever English. So here goes. To Áthis Autumn Vein Allen. I am happy to be in Ireland.
Uachtar Ronan. Agus a coisa.
please don't hesitate to contact your Irish teacher for any further information you may require. Mór ormh a leg. Good luck everyone making your GCSE choices.